Okay, here we go. It's going to be air on the line. First time water has even entered into this machine since previously having it apart. Will it leak? See, it's filling up there. At this point it has reached and entered the pump. Pretty much. Levels rising. I'll come back once it's more filled up and when it's ready to agitate. Alright. We got pump bubbles, which is, that's probably the sediment and crap that was sitting in the pump, or the hoses anyway. We're agitating, which is good. Brakes working, there's no indexing of the tub, which, you know, usually is that never occurs in direct drives anyhow. Everything under here. Oops. Try my charger cord on the light here as it gets hot. No leaks, no oil or water leaks that I can see immediately. The pump is working. Probably hear now that there's water in there, you can see the air bubbles coming up and probably some sediment crap as well, a little bit. Now if there's water in there, now you can hear the pump. Yes, I did put a date for installation. For what it's worth. But we got water in, she's holding so far that I can see. Again, I don't see any leaks, which is good. Anywhere in back. Pressure switch looks, or pressure switch hose looks to be good. Intact. I got the magic key in there for when it spins and drains. I just missed it, but it went into neutral. Sounds normal and it's working just like it should. Water is going down. You can hear the pump. Got that newer pump sound that I'm not as fond of as the older ones, but hey, it works. Rum's going. hear the pump now. I'll never understand why it sounds that way. It's another one, if anybody knows, gladly let me know in the comments why that's that way. Brakes work. Nope. Yep, nope, no oil splashes anywhere. So I think that new seal's definitely holding, which is good. I'm probably just going to go ahead and skip to the next neutral drain, since you already know what the rest of that in between that's like. Yeah, it's how backs up a little bit, but that's not a huge deal. Here we go. Oh yeah, I love how hot that neutral drain sounds. And by hot, I mean like how warmed up it sounds. You can hear the gear. Get a singular spray rinse. That's all she wrote. As far as I'm concerned, this machine's pretty much ready for service. Just give it a once over wipe down of the top here, and you know, just wipe this down. It's been sitting with cat blankets on top of it that have been catified, so it had a lot of cat food and all sorts of cats, just all sorts of cats catified stuff. So it's not too terribly dirty from the last time I cleaned it. It just needs a once over. And yeah, otherwise she's ready for service for another 5, probably no, more like 10-15 years of service at least, I'd say. Yeah, love that kind. Nice spins. like 10 years old now at this point. Beautiful. Just running one last brief rinse cycle through here, just to make sure everything gets rinsed out thoroughly as possible. Got the cabinet back on, as you can see, and otherwise she's ready to go. Ready for another decade at least, I'd say, provided they care for it and give it the maintenance it needs, you know. So that's going to wrap it up for the repair series on this washing machine. I hope you enjoyed, and I do plan to record some cycle videos of this before I sadly have to part ways with it. But stay tuned, because there is more coming, and there is more coming on that Whirlpool machine as well. New lid switch is working, so that's a good thing. And there you have it.